Hello everyone, how to do it. So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to sign in or how to create your account on Yodayo.com website. So this website has doesn't have any application. uh, like if you click here, like you'll see it's installed by the clicking below in their website, but it's not available in Google Play Store. So how to create your account? First of all, you need to open any browser, then type here Yodoya and click here login button. So it's not only character, you will find here different model. So now you can see here you can create your account multiple ways, like you can continue with Apple, continue with Google, and you can sign in manually, like you have to give your email and password. So I prefer continue with Google. Simply click here, then click continue button. So it's really simple and easy, and after that you have to set your, okay, I'm just going to set it, and after that simply click here. You must be above 18. So you can see here enter. So this is the things, like you'll receive 100 EO wins. So I will create more video how to use this website. So today's no man, see you the next video.